Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia, real estate agent in Jamaica. If you want to sell or buy or build real estate, hit the subscribe button and remember the notification bell. Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for opening this video. We are realtors in Jamaica. And you know, it's all about the real estate. Today I'm on Old Harbour Road. I'm actually on the best side of Old Harbour Road. These mango trees, you see guys? All of these on the right when they're bearing. I don't know who planted them, whose vision it was. They're just laid out really neatly along this section here.
Remind me of what's that place? Bamboo Walk.
Holland Bamboo.
But with mango trees.
With mango trees. I wish they were left and right on the road. Although they can be a hazard, you know, when the mangoes fall. But ladies and gentlemen, we want to show you a National Housing Trust development. It's coming up here on my right. This is the entrance. You can come check it out. They will be selling. Call National Housing Trust about these. Silver Sun Estate. Remember, don't call Miss Davis and Tony and don't blow up our phone lines with this. Alright, so those of you overseas, we want to tell you quickly how you can contribute from overseas. I know a lot of you have been asking, I've been telling you, yes, you can be a voluntary contributor overseas. Tony, how can they become a voluntary contributor to the National Housing Trust?
To become an overseas voluntary contributor, you must be a permanent resident or citizen of that country. You must first register. With the NHT. To register, you must complete the Voluntary Contributors Application Form. Correction fluid should not be used on the form. Please note that holders of work permits are not considered overseas voluntary contributors and should file their returns SO4 and SO4A at the Tax Administration of Jamaica. Okay, so it's filling out a form. You will need to ensure you register with the Tax Registration Center to obtain a TRN, because this will be needed for the registration process. Once you have completed the application form, you should come in for an interview. If you're unable to attend an interview, then you'll need to submit a letter of authorization for your representative or agent to act on your behalf. Such a letter should be signed, stamped, and dated by a notary public or a justice of the peace. The following documents are required in order to conduct your interview.
So hold on. So there must be a citizen of the other country, not Jamaica.
That's correct.
So there must be a citizen of any other country, guys, except Jamaica. They can also be a green card holder. Is that what you said?
It says you must be a permanent resident or a citizen.
Right, so a permanent resident, usually a green card holder of another country except Jamaica. So those of you who work on ships and have temporary jobs also, you would not be contributing under voluntary. You must file your tax return normally, right? As a Jamaican citizen. Alright. I think I'm approaching the development here now.
So there's a few documents that they need.
Alright, you want to tell them quickly?
Tax registration number, NIS card, a valid photo ID, initial monthly payment, 3% of proposed monthly income stated on the application form, overseas proof of address, proof of overseas residence, so a permanent resident card, indefinite card, passport for country of residence. You need proof of age, birth certificate, passport or driver's license, and photocopies of any of these documents will need to be signed, stamped, and dated by notary public or justice of the peace.
Alright, so they need a tax registration number, commonly known as a TRN, and in the link below too, you will show them how to apply for the TRN online, correct?
Right.
They also need what? A National Insurance Scheme card, which is an NIS card. If you have lost that card or lost a number, then you can always email NIS. We'll put that website in the link as well. What else they need?
They need proof of overseas residence.
Proof of overseas residence, which is in the form of a what? Utility bill?
No, permanent resident card, indefinite card, passport for country of residence.
Oh, so either them passport for the country where them born, or the green card, as them call it, those things you're talking about.
Ladies and gentlemen, Silver Sun Estate is located in Innswood off the Old Harbour Road. So you'll have access to a clubhouse, multi-purpose courts to play basketball and netball. You'll also have a football field, and you'll have a convenience store. So these units are 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. At the time that this video was done, they were priced at 12.4 million and 12.7 million. The house sizes are 770 square feet. The house themselves will have aluminum roof sheeting. You also get a Chorlawn finish, that's for the outside. The paint outside is Chorlawn finish. In your kitchen area, you'll have solid surface countertops. Your tiles will be ceramic tiles, and your roof is a timber framed roof. Ladies and gentlemen, Silver Sun Estates will be home to some of you. Ladies and gentlemen, remember that for this development, you will speak to the National Housing Trust direct. And usually for the National Housing Trust developments, what they do, they choose based on a priority index entitlement system. That's PIE, priority index entitlement. So what they do to make the selection of whoever is eligible for the loan, you must work and live in the area or in the parish. This particular one, Innswood, is in St. Catherine. So you must live and work in the parish of St. Catherine. Also, they also use points from your weekly contributions, and they also look at your current income. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the Silver Sun Estates. Thank you so much for joining us, and look out for other videos that we will do of the National Housing Trust developments. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, be great to yourself and buy real estate.
876 292 677666. You want a house? Link Claudia Davis, man. You want a piece of land? She are the real big woman, Miss Davis, she are the real big woman. With she coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a fan through she. You can own acre land. Miss D are the real big woman. With she coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. She tell me pre-smart, pre-better. Get your own damn place so you prefer it. Dear me wife if you sign up letter car. NHT them a real trend setter. Plus me don't get a youth of a member. Me son just on table in December. And she do construction too. She will build your house for you and you get it well rendered. Davis, she are the real big woman. With she coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Miss D are the real big woman. With she coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. She now start it and left you there. Me I tell your brother, yes, she well prepared. And if you're meeting a no farmer pangarang, she give you lawyer, brother, clear your fear. She are the best RST agent. She help the need if you stop pay rent. They don't care about mind, them just give me strength by steel and gravel and black and cement out. Now me house that I build up on the eye, me I save some me money gone up in the sky from. Me meet Claudia, me say me nah lie bang. Have money and me pocket never giant. Me swear pa me life, say me son him have to fly so. Hypocrite pagan while we die. You can't stop Claudia Davis, don't try. Every day another house gone. I Miss Davis, she are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own here call and Miss D are the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own here call and yeah man, you know. Miss Claudia Davis, big up yourself. That's a like, subscribe, and share. Claudia Davis, can get your house anywhere, just be prepared.